Hi, my name's Adam. I built this tool because right now there aren't a lot of tools that would check your relevance, quality, and intent. And those things are super important for showing up high in the search results. And right now there are a lot of LLM visibility checkers, and there aren't really many tools that will check that you are in the training sources of the LLMs. And that's super important for showing up in the AI answers. So I built this tool to meet my own need and to solve my own problems. And I'm just going to walk you through it now and show you how it works. Here's the LLM visibility section, and this, of course, checks that you are in the AI answers, and this fetches the AI answers and checks your presence in those live. And this is the web engine section, and this checks that you are in all of the various training sources for the LLMs. And it's a very quick and easy way to spot opportunities to increase your chances of showing up in the AI answers. And this is the relevance section. And in the relevance section, we check the relevance of your page. And this is calculated using embeddings and word vectorization, which is the same technology that the LLMs are using to calculate relevance. And this is the fan out query section. In the fan out queries, we check all of the additional searches that the LLMs and AI engines like Gemini and ChatGPT, it's the additional searches that they perform when they are thinking about a request. And right now, this is a really good opportunity because, as you can see, the SEO difficulties are still quite low for these fan queries. So if you can target some of these low difficulty fan queries, you significantly increase your chances for showing up high in the AI answers. Okay, this is our page analysis tool, and this tool has a lot of data and a lot of information. And the reason for that is that this tool focuses on the traditional search results, and the traditional search results have become quite complex. And to do it well, to do SEO well, you really need to have a lot of data points. And I'll just walk you through some of the different data points that we find for you. And in this section, this is the link strength, and the link strength is a recreation of PageRank. So in this section, we actually look at the links pointing to your website domain and the links pointing to the page, and we combine them together to get a PageRank score, and that's the link strength. And this is the relevance, and the relevance is a measure of your page's relevance. And this is calculated using word vectorization and embeddings, which is the same technology that both LLMs and search engines use to calculate relevance. And this is the keyword strength, and the keyword strength is how strong that your target keywords have been optimized into your page in the in areas like the HTML elements and so on. And this is the intent, and the intent is how well your page's content meets the intent of the user, and this is assessed on 50 different points. And in this section is the quality. This is a quality score, and this assesses your content's quality, and this is also assessed on 50 different points. This tool has a lot of other useful info, and I'll just give you an example. Over here is a benchmark, and the benchmark is the keyword stats for #1 rankings. And the reason that's helpful is that you can get the keyword stats of the keywords on your page, and you can compare them to #1 rankings and see if you are over-optimized or under-optimized. In the section is the entities, and the entities are fetched using Google's NLP models. So the cool thing about this is you can ensure that you are getting a very accurate understanding of the entities on your page straight from the source, directly from Google's NLP models. We have a quality and intent grading sections as well. And here at the bottom, we have something interesting, which are the classifications. And the classifications are also direct from Google's NLP models. And the reason this is important is if we have a look at the page classifications here, and this is a top ranking page, we can see that its top classifications are business and productivity software and product reviews and price comparisons at 100% and 82%. Now, if we look at the search queries classifications, it has those same categories, business and productivity software and product reviews and price comparisons. So there's definitely a relationship and a correlation between having the same categories on your page as a search query. And this tool helps you to analyze that and ensure that your page's categories align with the search queries. Okay, this tool is our keyword optimizer tool, and the previous two tools really focused on giving a lot of data and insights. But we also need a tool that helps you implement, and that's what this tool does. And this tool has we have detailed metrics on the left, which are all updated live. So you can update your content, and you will get live updates on the target keywords on your page, the semantic keywords, entities, and URLs, and all of those metrics will update live as you are editing your content. We also have a meta tag generator, and this will write your meta tags, and it will perfectly optimize your keyword into the page. And we also have a schema markup writer, and this will write perfectly compliant and optimized schema markup, and it will also naturally weave your target keyword into the schema markup. And just have a look at that now. Here we can see some perfectly, really well detailed and fleshed out schema markup. And that's it. I really built this tool to really solve my own problems and to get a bit more detail and data in modern SEO. And I just hope that it helps somebody else out there who is having the same problems.